We all know that AI is just getting worse and worse and worse, and the slop that comes from it, worse, worse and worse. Today we're going to be having a look at some AI slop that people have just made up. Something that they've just conjured up and decided, yeah, do you know what? This will do. We're looking into mainly the fruit story aspect of it. You know what I'm talking about. Just the weird, robust stories of AI fruit. We're just going to watch them, react, and just explore the ideas of some people and see how they make us feel. But let's get into it. Before we do that though, please don't forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe because it just really helps us out. I have seen some comments saying the dragon fruit's kind of hot, the apple's kind of hot. I'm curious to know what these people are on about, but we'll see how it goes. Oh damn, they are kind of bad.
I'm here to collect my prize. You belong to the Spiky Syndicate now.
Don't touch me!
Stunning, darling. Looking like a naive little snack fully prepped for the blender.
Sorry, what? We're in off the bat and she's talking about murder. I'm assuming that's what we mean by blender here. Gonna kill someone? I don't know. It's episode 1 and I'm pretty sure there's like 12 of this little like plot line, so I'm already confused.
Girl, bye. And you look like hot compost waiting for the garbage truck, Lemon. Back off before I squeeze the bitter juice out of your face.
Smile, Cherry. We need this alliance. Don't be dramatic today.
Alliance? You told me I was taking over the board. You sold me out, you rotten coward.
Bros just wanted to smash the door open and leave the door intact. Do you know what? Fair play. That's some like 100% aura right there.
Dragon fruit, please. Give me one more week. I can get the cash.
You sold her to me to cover your gambling debts, Pamaya. The deadline is tonight. She's my territory now.
I'm not going anywhere with this freak.
Running away so soon, little prize? We haven't even started playing.
Damn. This is kind of like stories your wife reads. You don't know what I'm on about. What do we get from that? That little papaya is gambling. He is owed the dragon fruit money. And the dragon fruit's nah, today's the day. I'm getting my shit. Who thinks of this? No, this is episode 2, apparently.
You think you buy me like a Lacrindo cheap smoothie ingredient?
You don't even have the right to rot without my permission, baby.
You traded me for warehouse shares? Business! Are you kidding me right now?
It's just business, Cherry. Dragon fruit was going to peel us all alive.
Oh, stop throwing a tantrum, you dramatic child. You should be thanking us on your knees. After all, the Spiky Syndicate put a bullet in your mother's core 10 years ago. Now you get to sleep in the enemy's bed. That's the game, sweetie. You're right.
Damn, she on business right now. I'm confused to what's going on. I figured there might be a plot, but I don't think there is. It's just kind of like the same generic 2, just arguing.
Listen to me, you spiky piece of trash.
Sit down. Sign the paper, Cherry.
You.
Or I swear, I will burn your father's rotting empire to the ground tonight. Your choice.
It's getting more intense, I can feel it. Don't know how or why, but it's getting more intense. Oh, I think he did. Oh no, she did it.
That's what happens when you try to premium produce.
Oops.
Who does she think she is?
My territory!
Put me down, you psycho!
Trevor just murdered him.
Nobody lets this one out.
Hey, I'm choking. Get me water.
Let's see how you like things hot.
Bro, today.
Find that little red demon. I want her alive so I can deal with her myself.
I kind of start to feel like we also still don't know more what was going on. But, you know, someone help me think. If you can understand the plot line, let me know down below because it'd probably be really helpful. Beats me. Hey, yo.
Sleep well, my little property.
What kind of trashy leftover lipstick is this? You think I'm wearing your side chick sloppy seconds? Keep your filthy juice to yourself.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
You don't get to act jealous, Cherry. Your garbage father threw you to the wolves to save his own pathetic skin. You are nothing but my personal toy.
I belong to nobody, spiky jerk.
Just the way that some of the AI has been made, and it's like slams the door and then all the dust comes out. What? How?
Look who came crawling back from the compost bin.
Lemon! Oh, what?
I shows. I'm just here to pick up my runaway bride, Lemon.
For 30 seconds there, I thought the kid was going to get it. I mean, that kind of would have been funny, given a plot twist and all, but... Okay, so now we've got them running away. Right, how should I go backwards?
You're gambling away our last shipping routes while Papaya cries in a corner? I'm driving tonight, you useless fuzzball.
If you lose, Cherry, you pay your family's debt with your own juice tonight. On your knees.
It's kind of hot.
Girl, I never lose to hot trash.
But how's that? Do you know what? That's still a better race than Fast and Furious. Any of them. I said it. Do you know what's crazy? There is 20 episodes of this. We've covered 5. And I'm getting annoyed and stressed. I don't know what's going on. Maybe we'll just skip to the last. Bad Don. He passed out to me. It's such a funny name.
Close your eyes, little fruit.
Dabe?
Go wear out! Nola tell you to gun do! I've got you, babe.
No, no, don't peel me! Peel me!
Cherry, snap out of it. It's me.
No, don't
Well, they're friends again?
peel me!
Close your eyes, little fruit.
It was you.
Bro, I'm so confused. I'm starting to wish we watched the rest. However, I fear we're like 10 minutes in and we don't know what's going on. So, we're going to leave these ones here. We're just going to look for just random AI fruit, I guess. Just so there's a bit of randomness to it. I don't know. I'm so lost with all this stuff.
Listen, guys, I'm dying.
Is there no hope?
No, I have only 3 weeks. Is it Bananini Pink Man? I got an idea. Listen, I know you're cooking berry cane, but with me it's gonna be 10 times better.
Hey, yo, I ain't cooking with ya. Y'all was my teacher, Mr.
I get this.
Benanito White, though.
You have to!
Right.
Mix it, Bananini!
I'm
We're
mixing
breaking bad
Mr.
in
White.
More power, Bananini!
It's overflowing, Mr. White.
It's gonna flow!
I need to try harder. All for my wife and kids.
What?
We did it, Bananini! We're finally rich! Life is good!
Bananita will be so happy.
Just random people chilling on his driveway.
Wait, did I hear Bananita?
What are you doing? How could you do this to me?
It's not what you think.
Get out of my house!
Wasn't expecting him just to be like that. Okay. Question is, who's thinking of this and going, do you know what? I've got this. I like the story. It was very much like Breaking Bad-esque. But the plot towards the end just went nowhere. I don't know what's going on.
Babe, relax. You're built like a boulder.
Shut up, I'm watching my show. Go get me some more sauce, peasant.
I just want you to take care of yourself! I just wish she was hot again!
Whoa, you look good. Let me get your number or something.
I have a wife, Strawberryna. We can't. Hey, Sugar Boo, I'm back. I got you a salad.
You know I don't eat salads. You only think about yourself.
It's cause you can't even fit through the door!
Why is this guy so pressed? I mean, he's trying to look after her. We can see what he's saying, but that's so funny.
Benanito, what are you doing here?
Me and my wife are done.
Oh, come in. You're soaked. Here, this will warm you up.
Thanks. My wife would just laugh. Well, ex-wife.
You don't have to worry about her anymore. Maybe he is right.
Bro's just straight into that shit. Didn't even think about regretting his choice. Straight in there with Strawbenita.
I'm gonna get in the best shape of my life for him. I wonder if Benanito will like my new look.
She's also just grown up. 6 feet.
Oh no, what am I gonna tell Benanito? Hello, my sweet banana, are you home?
I think if that is one I had to pick, that is probably a story I would have watched. That first half. It was getting good. It was like a cliffhanger at the end. She just walks through the door and then she's gonna see them there, like fruit salading on the sofa. Oh dear.
Baby, give me a signature look. Something you've never done for anyone.
Oh my god.
I said a haircut, not a full reset.
That's not a haircut, that's a complete wipeout!
I just wanted a haircut, not a whole new identity.
Who are you? What are you doing here in the CEO's office? Get out from here right now!
Baby, what are you saying? It's me, Broccoli, I'm your husband. You forgot me?
Broccoli's so funny. Where? I understand why she's leaving him because he's now bald. That's outrageous, to be honest.
Security! Get this man out of here right now!
Door just
Get
moves
out
in
of here
front
and
of
don't
him as
even
well.
think about coming back! Try to understand. I am your boss.
This is not over. I will come back to this company, and I will take my revenge. Today, there's an interview for a new CEO.
Has the broccoli just blackfaced himself as an eggplant? Is this allowed?
Go, let's try our luck. I may not look perfect right now, but I have the skills, the vision, and the determination to lead this company.
Congratulations. Your skills and vision have impressed us. We are happy to appoint you as the new CEO.
I see real potential in you. With the right support, you could reach a much better position here.
Boss, tell me, what do I have to do to reach that higher position?
Stay close. Success will follow.
It's getting a little bit scary what these AIs are doing. the fruit stories. And honestly, there is literally loads we could watch.
Girl, I love your matching set. Where did you get it? Oh, I don't remember. Sorry, girl.
I'm going to get a mango strawberry one. Ooh, delish. I'm getting the same thing.
Excuse me, ladies. I just wanted to say that y'all are beautiful, especially you.
If you say that because of her breasts, these are fake!
Why the hell would you say that? That's embarrassing, but also not true.
Girl,
That's
he was
crazy.
a freak. I did this for you.
What?
We all know that the red one's going to be piping him next. It's bloody true.
Today we need to focus in class, girl. There will be a test in a few days. Don't tell me about it. I'm so stressed. I know, but we have to be prepared. Ugh,
She
I
got
can't
an
even
Apple
think
clipboard.
about it. Oh my god, look at the teacher's shoes. They're hilarious. They're so funny. I can't believe it.
Okay, guys, class is over. I hope you were all focused because in 2 days you will have a test about today's class.
Don't worry, I asked Kawina to send me her notes. All right, she just sent me her study notes. Let's get started. I really have to pass this test.
With 528,000.
All right, class, your tests are graded. Some of you did very well.
Yes! I got an A!
Wait, a C? How? I spent 3 hours in the library studying. How can I get such a bad grade?
You know what? I'm glad this one actually had a plot and a story, but it just didn't have the raw passion that Dragon Fruit could give us. I must admit, a lot of them is just fruits cheating on fruit. I'm excited to do with part 2, if that's what you guys want. The thing is, right, there's people putting in time, effort, a life for this stuff. Like, what is this?
I like when you kiwi, 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 kiwi. Bananito in your hand. Trapendo for the show. Orange yellow like a gelato. Kiwi lo, yo solo.
What the fuck? I think I've like scared myself. So you know what? What up? If you enjoyed any of those in particular, let me down below which one was your favourite. I must admit, the cherry and the dragon fruit storyline, I reckon it does pop, but I'm not watching 20 parts worth just to sit here and lose my life. But I mean, if you guys enjoyed it, let me know down below, and yeah, we can do a part 2. We could probably do like a part 5 because there's loads of these. Just need to make sure that the plot has plot. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.